Hello kids, so in this video I want to show you how to find the volume of any kind of prism. So in this example we have a rectangular prism, and what we have to do in this case, sorry, let me erase this, is to apply the formula of the volume of the prisms, and it is just simply the area of the base times the height of the prism. And in this case, what is the base? The base is this rectangle that we see here. So we have to find this area. And this area is 5 meters times 3 meters, which results being 15 square meters, okay? But we still have to multiply it, okay, times the height, which in this case, as you see it here, the height is 2 meters. So we multiply 15 square meters times 2 meters, and the result is 30 cubic meters. Remember that we measure volume in cubic units, so that is why the exponent is 3. Okay, so the next example, in this case, is also a rectangular prism, but now is a cube. So let's follow the same process. Let me erase this. Okay, so what is the base of this cube? So the base is this square that has sides of 9 centimeters. So 9 centimeters times 9 centimeters, that is the area of the base, and that is 81 centimeters squared. Okay, but we still have to multiply by the height. So remember, in this case the height is also 9 centimeters. We multiply 81 centimeters squared times 9 centimeters, and the result is 729 cubic centimeters, okay? Cubic. That is how you find the area, the volume of a rectangular prism. But what happens if we have other prisms, like triangular prisms or even pentagonal prisms or any other kind of polygon? So let's look at this example, kids, okay? Once again, let me erase this process. Okay, so remember, by definition, the prisms are solids that have two identical faces, and the other faces are rectangles. So even if the figure is like this, we can say, and let me make this, we cannot say that the base is this rectangle, because it doesn't fit the definition. The bases in this case are the triangles, because are the two identical faces in the both edges of the or extremes of the prism. So the base in this case are not the rectangles, okay, no, but the triangles. Now once again, we have to find the area of the base. So we have to find the area of this triangle, which is base times height divided by 2. So 5 meters times 7 meters divided by 2. That results in 5 times 7 is 35. And 35 divided by 2 is 17,5 square meters. Okay, remember, it's an area. Okay, 35 divided by 2 is 17,5 square meters. But remember, we still have to multiply by the height of the prism, which in this case is this segment, is this edge, which measures 8 meters. Okay, and 17,5 square meters times 8 meters, let me do it. 140. Okay, the result of this multiplication is 140 cubic meters. Remember, cubic units because it's volume. Now, let's do our last example. Okay, once again we have a triangular prism. So once again, let me erase this. Okay, so what are the bases? The bases are triangles, so we have to find the area of one of those triangles, which in this case is found by multiplying 5 times 9 and divided by 2. Okay, 5 times 9 is 45, and 45 divided by 2 is 22,5 square centimeters because it's an area. Okay, but we have to multiply by the height, which in this case is 10 centimeters. Okay, so here also times 10 centimeters, and 22,5 square centimeters times 10 centimeters results in 225 cubic centimeters. Okay, remember the cube. And that is how we find the volume of rectangular and triangular prisms.